On 5th of August at around 3:55 p.m., Head Constable Ram Nivas Meena fell prey to a sniper shot which came from Ashraf Post.
वो हमारे ऊपर फायर कर हमें उकसाने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन उसका हम जो है बहुत सटीक और सोच समझकर जवाब देते हैं।
POF पाकिस्तान ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री
जो अशरफ पोस्ट है उसके ऊपर हमने फायर किया है टावर के ऊपर, तो इतना हुआ भी जैसे वो बंदा गिर गया नीचे।
रॉकेट लॉन्चर BSF प्लाटून का एक मात्र एंटी टैंक हथियार है।
ये सब ऐसी फोर्स है ये कि इससे बढ़कर कोई फोर्स नहीं है।
DD News is the first channel to have reached here at Ground Zero. Namaskar and welcome to Borderline Peace, this exclusive ground report from some of the most vulnerable and sensitive border outposts along Indo-Pak border in Jammu. Well, just 500 meters away from Pakistan posts, these border outposts have recently witnessed massive ceasefire violations and unprovoked firing from across the border. Well, this report exposes Pakistan's constant efforts to disturb peace at the border, unprovoked firing, infiltration bids and constant ceasefire violations. Borderline Peace asks this question: for how long will Pakistan remain in the constant denial mode?
पाक आर्मी है वो हमारे ऊपर फायर कर हमें उकसाने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन उसका हम जो है बहुत सटीक और सोच समझकर जवाब देते हैं।
History has it. Intense and unprovoked ceasefire violations along international border in Jammu from Pakistan continues. Amid heightened tensions along the line of control in Poonch and spurt in ceasefire violations by Pakistan, there are army intelligence inputs about Pakistan trying to engineer more border action team attacks along the borderline.
The alerts which we are receiving from the intelligence agencies, there seems to be an attempt to infiltrate certain militant groups in India, and this is a cover to facilitate the infiltration.
Pakistan has time and again continued to disrespect ceasefire, showing complete disregard to the sanctity of truce. The incidence of such violations and unprovoked firing trend at BOP bears testimony to this fact.
13 अगस्त को हमें तैनात किया गया ड्यूटी के लिए, तो हम गए वहाँ, फायरिंग आई उधर से। फायरिंग के दौरान बाद में हमने उनकी पोस्ट पे अशरफ पे हम तकरीबन 7:30 बजे, तो उसको जो अशरफ पोस्ट है उसके ऊपर हमने फायर किया है टावर के ऊपर, तो इतना हुआ भी जैसे वो बंदा गिर गया नीचे।
The ceasefire violations have been reportedly on daily basis for the month of August and September 2013 along the international border in Jammu, forcing Indian troops to retaliate. 6 Jawans have been martyred and 5 Jawans were among 9 injured in ceasefire violations and firing by Pakistani troops on forward posts.
July, August, as the trend is, there was sudden spurt, but then BSF gave a calibrated response. Our response is calibrated and effective. To this end, BSF Jawans are highly professional and motivated. The morale is very high, and the precision is there.
Out of the current 90 border outposts in Jammu, the most sensitive is this one, Narayanpur BOP. The most vulnerable, sensitive and volatile. Reason, its extreme proximity to Pakistan, just 550 meters away from Pakistan border outpost Ashraf and Jamil. DD News is here at Narayanpur border outpost in Jammu along Indo-Pak border, the international boundary. And we are just 600 meters away from that Pakistan's Ashraf border outpost. On 5th of August at around 3:55 p.m, Head Constable Ram Nivas Meena fell prey to a sniper shot which came from the same Ashraf border outpost of Pakistan, which you can see behind me.
This mound which is visible in front, this is the actual duty mound where Head Constable Ram Nivas Meena, he was injured because of his sniper fire from Pakistan side. And as per ground realities, probably they used .22 rifle with silencer and there was no sound heard. So immediately there was no reaction because nobody could come to know from where the fire has come. But subsequently again Rangers, if you see from here, the tower is visible with Pakistan flag, that is Pak Post Jamil. And they started firing again on these duty mounts after some gap, after this sniping. And that time it was high time that our boys calibratedly they gave response and silenced their guns.
A sniper shot fired from Pakistan's Ashraf post hit Head Constable Ram Nivas Meena at 3:55 p.m. on 5th of August while he was on duty on this mount with Constable Shinde. Around 2 rounds were fired from Pakistani side and the bullet hit Head Constable Meena. That is Pakistan post Jamil, which happens to be just 800 meters away from this spot where I'm standing at Narayanpur border outpost. And also we are 800 meters away from Pakistan's Hakimpur village, and that happens to be the mount. On 5th of August, Head Constable Ram Nivas Meena was on duty with Constable Shinde. Let's talk to Constable Shinde and get to know more about what happened on the day that sniper attack took place. Shinde ji, अब आप ये बताइए उस दिन क्या कुछ हुआ था?
तो हमने 22 साइड ड्यूटी में थे मैडम, और राम निवास मीना जी दैनिक साइड ड्यूटी में थे. उसके बाद दैनिक साइड से ज़्यादा जंगल झाड़ी होने से उससे बांध दे उधर पाकिस्तान साइड, उसको उधर से बुलेट लगा, उनको बुलेट लग के इंजरी हो गया. वो गिर पड़े, वो मेरा नाम लेते हुए सिंधे मेरे को गोल लगे के इंजरी उड़ा के गिर पड़े सर. उसके बाद मैं उसको उठा के फिर अपना मैक्रोफोन से अपना पोस्ट के लिए इन्फो किया, मैं उससे अपना गाड़ी आके उसको ले गए.
जब भी कोई जवान BSF का ऐसे खतरनाक BOPs पे ड्यूटी करता है सुबह से शाम तक, दुश्मन की जो टेरिटरी है उससे इतने नज़दीक है, 600 मीटर की दूरी पे रहते हैं, तो हमला अटैक कभी भी हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल मैडम, हम देखते रहते कहीं ना कहीं कुछ हरकत होता है, कुछ होता है, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ हो सकता है, बल्कि हम बिल्कुल अलर्ट नहीं करके हम ड्यूटी करते हैं मैडम, बिल्कुल अलर्ट नहीं से.
और जब आप ड्यूटी करते हैं अपने घर वालों का ख्याल आता है आपको?
बिल्कुल आता है मैडम, बिल्कुल आता है मैडम, घर वालों को ख्याल आता है.
Meena himself talked from his set to our operator that the bullet had hit to me. We took the Meena from there to our BOP, and from our BOP he was sent to the Ramgarh the hospital, and from there he was further sent to the Jammu, and after once he reached to Jammu, then he was sent to the AIMS Delhi by the air ambulance.
13th of August 2013, and they did it once again. 9th ceasefire violation along IB in 72 hours. Pakistani army resorted to fresh firing here in Ramgarh area of Samba sector in Jammu at Narayanpur BOP. And as escalations along the line of control in Poonch continue, on 13th of August 2013 at around 7:45 a.m. in the morning, in response to the unprovoked firing from across the border from